Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear Indian students, working professionals, travelers, and everyone planning a journey to Germany tuning in. If you are someone who is preparing to study, work, or settle in Germany and wondering how to manage food comfortably, this is especially for you. Moving to a new country is exciting, but adjusting to a different food culture can sometimes feel challenging. Many Indians worry about finding familiar ingredients, identifying vegetarian food, understanding local dining habits, and managing everyday cooking away from home. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you: Germany food guidance with do's and don'ts for Indians from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the career section, open food, social, legal under the broad category, select Germany on that page, and then click on the food option. Food in Germany can be quite different from what many Indians are used to. Local dishes are often less spicy, ingredients may vary, and vegetarian travelers sometimes need to be extra careful when choosing meals. However, with a little preparation and awareness, adapting becomes much easier. Trying local vegetarian dishes such as Käsespätzle, Brezel, and Kartoffelsalat can be a great way to experience German food culture while still enjoying vegetarian options. At the same time, Indian, Turkish, and Asian stores can help you find many familiar ingredients from home. Reading food labels is another useful habit. Learning common German food terms such as vegetarisch and understanding ingredient descriptions can help you make better food choices and avoid unexpected surprises. Vegetarian travelers should be especially careful because some dishes that appear vegetarian may still contain meat stock, broth, or other animal-based ingredients. Asking questions before ordering can help avoid confusion. German food is generally much milder than Indian cuisine. Carrying a few essential spices, favorite masalas, or ready-to-eat meals can make the adjustment period more comfortable, especially during the first few months. For students and professionals who prefer cooking at home, items such as a pressure cooker, spice box, tawa, and balan can be very useful. These simple kitchen essentials make preparing everyday Indian meals easier and more convenient. Dining customs are also worth knowing. Tipping around 5 to 10% is common in restaurants, and saying "Guten Appetit" before meals is considered polite and friendly. Many newcomers are surprised to learn that bottled water is commonly served in restaurants. If you prefer tap water, it is usually best to ask for Leitungswasser specifically. Shopping options vary across Germany. Indian stores are excellent for spices, dals, rice, atta, pickles, and snacks. Turkish shops often offer fresh produce, herbs, yogurt, and other everyday ingredients, while supermarkets can provide many basic grocery items. It's also important to check customs regulations before bringing dairy or meat products from India. Adapting to food in Germany doesn't mean giving up the flavors and habits you enjoy. A little preparation, some cultural awareness, and a willingness to try new foods can make the experience both comfortable and enjoyable. Germany is becoming increasingly vegetarian and vegan-friendly, making it easier to find food that suits your preferences. Whether you are cooking dal chawal at home, shopping for ingredients, or trying local dishes for the first time, a little preparation can make your food journey in Germany much more enjoyable and stress-free. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the career section on the Youthbuddy website. Open food, social, legal under the broad category, select Germany on that page, and then click on the food option. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.